So for the second part of the implementation, added the two classes, the remove ingredient and modify ingredient amount. And I pretty much did that using the map function .remove on my ingredients object and passing in the ingredient I, of course. And then for the modify ingredient amount, I did the exact same thing except I just removed the ingredient from the map and then I re-added it with the new amount. The ingredient.java class changed a little bit too. I just added the like a string to print out the ingredient. It makes it look a bit better, I think. And also in the recipe.demo or recipe demo class, I made it fully automated so like I don't have to type anything, and it's a lot easier because it's like pretty consistent every single time. And we can go ahead and run that, and then I'll take you through the basic parts. So in the beginning, it just creates that initial recipe object, and then it's going to add ingredients. And I've got cheese set, and I've got it right over here where I set cheese. Actually, this part right here. And you can see the units, calories per unit, protein per unit, carbs per unit, and then it adds another ingredient, sauce, and then right here it prints out the original. I put original recipe because that's like the original one, and it has like sauce and then cheese, and you can have as many items as you want, of course. And then for that next part, I wanted to demonstrate that remove ingredient right there. It's going to remove the cheese from it. It's just going to have sauce, and then it prints out what it looks like, what the object looks like without the cheese on it, and then to demonstrate the modify ingredient amount, I'm going to change the amount of sauce on the pizza, or in the recipe at least, and it's going to do that again. Like I said, it removes it from the map and then re-adds it back, and that's pretty much the functionality right there. Thank you very much.